Working with legacy Proa Engineer CAD software and found a UCH file. This is a user interface customization file storing personalized toolbar and menu configurations. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll explain how to load and modify these UI settings. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the UCH file. I'll reveal it at the end.
Files are user interface customization files used by Pro/Engineer, now PTC, Creo Parametric CAD software. They store personalized toolbar configurations, menu layouts, keyboard shortcuts, and command mappings, allowing engineers to tailor the CAD environment to their specific workflow preferences and frequently used commands.
UCH. Files use a structured text or binary format containing UI element definitions, toolbar positions, menu hierarchies, and keyboard accelerator mappings specific to Proa Engineer. The format references internal command identifiers and stores user customizations separately from default UI configurations, enabling per-user interface personalization. The ideal software for creation and opening of UCH is PTC Creo from PTC. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows cannot validate syntax or meaning, so incorrect edits can break features. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your UCH file and select Open With. If PTC Creo is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If you still can't open the UCH file, it's okay. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific UCH error. First, loading in Pro/Engineer. Launch Pro/Engineer or PTC Creo, and use the File Then options or tools. Then customize screen menu to import the UCH file. The application applies the stored customizations, updating toolbars, menus, and shortcuts to match the saved configuration, immediately personalizing the workspace based on the loaded settings. Next, examining the configuration. Open the UCH file in a text editor like Notepad++ if it uses text format to inspect the customization details. Review toolbar definitions, menu modifications, and keyboard mappings to understand what changes the file applies. This examination helps document standard customizations for team-wide deployment and consistency. Finally, distributing to team. Share the UCH file with team members and have them load it into their Pro/Engineer installations. Place the file in the user configuration directory, typically under the user profile, then start the application. Standardizing UI customizations across a team ensures consistent workflows and reduces training requirements for new engineers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.